new suit. So as you can see, there's a bunch of new inventory on my website. So make sure you shop That's Her. www.thatshershop.com. Make sure you get your hands on the I Know Choose Myself signature crew neck. We are halfway through inventory. The shelves are starting to look a little bit empty here. Our Daisy May corsets, we have a lot of smalls and mediums left. The extra larges and larges are practically gone. Spring, highly recommend. It is such a staple for spring, especially if you want to push up the tatas a little. It is perfect for our self-love date, girly date, or date with your romantic interest. We did recently restock our Sky corset, which a lot of people have been requesting. So make sure you grab it if you want a very flexible and forgiving corset, especially on the friendlier cost side. I'm offering an exclusive discount code just for the ones watching on my YouTube channel. Make sure you use code I'mHer to save some onto the haul. So you guys know that I'm on this whole like high of trying on lingerie. And yes, for the purpose of Mr. YouTube watching, we're saying lingerie from Amazon because we're not time crunch. Amazon Prime really needs to sponsor me. This darling screams power. I'm gonna link other products down below, by the way, so you can check out my storefront. Quality is so much better than the ones we've been trying, okay? Just such thick garter lingerie. The mesh is looking doable. Very nice, sturdy, but soft, and a little bit see-through, which we purposely want. Let's strap ourselves on. I got a size 8 through 10. Snappy, snappy, snap. Even strapping for the cleave. Extra insurance. Listen, I'm in my Skims bodysuit. It is smashing me flat. Sorry, it's a lot to look at. You're not really getting the full effect. Use your imagination. I really like other straps on the cushion, just for aesthetics. Okay, we just really have to figure out how to do this. Around town. It's good sizing. Your girl's doing her 10K steps a day. Follow me on TikTok if you guys want to see those videos. I am just feeling so snatched and so good about my body. Like, I don't think I'm losing weight, but I just feel so good. But yeah, 3 more pieces. I'm appreciating all the hook eye colors. This is a 4-piece lingerie set, by the way, so this is the kind that goes like super high up in your hips. I like how you can like cover your stomach and it feels so okay, now the leg pieces. Honestly, this is like very high quality fabric mesh. I feel the circulation cut in a little. Okay. Is this supposed to hook to something? Thong is digging in. Let me just assort myself real quick. How do you like wear this under your clothes? I would be like, hold on, give me a second. There's a lot of time to be sexy. Being sexy is hard. Wow! You're supposed to connect this to, nope, the quality is really nice. This is where my belly folds. I like that I can cover it. And then you got your undies so you can like really get it up there. This could be cute. I'm impressed, Amazon. Sorry, I'm not into romantic. I just noticed it was underwiring under the bra. Nice little lift for you. There's just so much thought into this lingerie set. Stretchable, flexible, breathable. You can literally adjust any strap you want. Listen to my life. I will give this a 4. I'm impressed. I seriously played well. Ooh, I saw this red and I just thought, wow, this red has to go on my skin tone. Oops, I forgot I was wearing. I got too comfy, my bad. I love going for lingerie that has these kinds of cuts, a little bit more asymmetrical. You have straps that cuts you like a diamond. Okay, I like the straps, but I'm finding that they're a little bit controversial because it keeps sliding down. If these straps were a little bit like this thong strap, it would sit so much better. Although these are just like strings, kind of like yes style, this feels a notch better quality. It's a halter, yes. It looks so tiny. So these 2 little straps should go inside the crevices. And there's also straps on the outer side too to go around, but how? I don't know, but I love this color. And I do like the little dainty bows. It's also on the undie. Why does it look like this back here? I'm sorry, but it's just the way I'm built. I'm literally a walking drumstick. Do appreciate this halter neck, although it feels very like cheap. Again, I really like the straps here that cut your hips, but they're starting to like blend as one, and the underwear is like slipping down because there's literally no grip on the seamless lacing part up here. If you were a skinny queen, you might not understand, but my thicker queens would know. I'm excited to see how this should be though. Overall, it doesn't feel like great quality, but it's enough to just be like on and then off. Yeah, 3 out of 5. They literally actually vacuum sealed this Previously in my other lingerie hauls, people were like, oh my god, Faye, you just need to like get over it and get yourself like a slip-on or something to cover your stomach. You're not meant for lingerie like that. Oh my gosh, don't even get me started on the Facebook comments. You're just too fat. It's not good on you. Why are you shocked? I'm like, can a girl breathe? Is that okay with you, Karen? There's nothing against slips. I restrain from them a lot because I'm confident in my fucking body. I know that I can be very emotional about it sometimes, but that doesn't mean I don't love it. I'm fine expressing myself in my lingerie with my rolls up, and my mans like it. Why do y'all care? Secondly, it's because I'm short. So then whenever I have a slip on, I look like a floating goat. When you're short and stubby, you try a slip on and let me know how you feel. I just feel like a floating marshmallow. Anyway, here's my cape. It's kind of weird. It feels like a vest. Ballerina. Like, how can I make this look sexy? I like that there is a metal hook in the front so you can open and close this as you please. It just looks too whimsical for me. Like, this makes me feel like I'm going to a dance recital. I will say though, this mesh quality, it doesn't lose its shape even if you're tugging on it. Honestly, it's cute for anyone. You can wear it whenever you want. I feel like I don't look my age in this. Unless I like... I just don't know how to make this lip look sexy without wanting to be like... I like that the V-cut is more outer. Chesty besties have a moment in the spotlight. Maybe that can save. I just don't know. You have your little face mask undies. Have fun figuring out which butt cheek belongs to what. It's just not my style. I'll give it a 2 out of 5. Oh yeah, we went there. So bright. You'll be able to spot me a million miles around the corner. There's floral designs on this. It's a little odd at first. I can appreciate. So we have another waistband. A nice little undie that's actually undie. Straps to adjust on the waistband. We are spoiled. Our thighs. My thighs don't have rings. This color palette's fun. Oh, and you're supposed to do it back here too. How do they look so sexy? My body looks confused. I will say everything from this brand, at least from Amazon, is true to what you see in the photos. I don't look like the photo. The problem is me. I'm appreciating the waist belt. You can hide that tummy area. I highly recommend because it gives you like boost of confidence, snaps your waist. The bra wiring, it feels less cheap, like actual lingerie. I just realized you glow in the dark. So you can see all this doing all of that. We about to go in the dark, hold on. Okay, we're going in my closet in pure darkness. I'm not glowing in the dark. What kind of ball sack line, tagline was that? And maybe they meant any like fluorescent light or something like special, like blue light. I am not a fan of these. What are we thinking here? I kind of feel like a Ninja Turtle without its shell. I'm just gonna be neutral and give this a 3 out of 5. Okay, Saved by the Bell. I think lingerie in this color is gorgina. Oh yeah. This is high-waisted. The quality is, again, really good. This blue is gorgeous, honestly. So this is giving more coverage, which I really like. Dainty, cute, unboxy. The booty is not the best, but I like it. The strings of hair hold way better. It comes up high. It covers up the belly area. There's this little zigzag pattern. My booty crack is like right here. I know it's kind of weird. I'm telling you, I'm built different. The lace is extremely soft. I think we and others will love that. I'm smashed up in a nude suit. It makes you look a little slimmer. You know, this can help cover the bra rolls. I don't love the bows. If you didn't have the bow, it'll look more mature. You make it longer so it's not too like high up. I think it works out if you want to show off what you have, but also like still kind of like cover it a little bit. And that is about it. I'm gonna share the ones I really like down in my storefront, especially for the fast delivery. And the prices are pretty fair. If you guys have more that you guys want me to try, then let me know and I'll do it. Until next time, I'm Cindy. Bye!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't